A work area after a plumbing job should be left completely clean, dry, and free of any tools, debris, old parts, or standing water, basically looking the same or better than before the plumber arrived. Think of it like this. When a plumber fixes a pipe under your sink, they usually have to cut into walls, remove old pipes, or drain water out of the system. And all of that creates a mess. A good plumber will wipe down every surface they touched, sweep up any metal shavings or pipe scraps, and make sure there is no leftover water sitting on your floor or inside your cabinets. Something a lot of people do not know is that leftover moisture, even a tiny bit hiding in a cabinet corner, can lead to mold growing within just a day or two, especially in warm and humid areas. A truly careful plumber will actually dry out the area with a towel or a small fan before they leave. They should also double check that any old parts like a broken faucet or a cracked pipe are hauled away and not left behind for you to throw out yourself. If they had to remove insulation or drywall to reach a pipe, the space around that cut should be swept and wiped so no dust or debris spreads into your home. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming the job is done just because the leak stopped, without checking underneath the sink or behind the appliance for hidden water or tools left behind, so always take a flashlight and look closely before you say the job is finished. Another misconception is thinking a little bit of dust or grime is normal and not worth mentioning, but you should always speak up, because a professional plumber should treat your home with the same respect they would want in their own house. People also forget to ask about disposal, so make sure you clarify ahead of time whether the plumber will haul away old parts and packaging, or if that becomes your responsibility. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.